Hey guys, I'm gonna help you save some more money today by showing you how to make a very easy, healthy, and delicious $10 to $15 meal, depending on the meat that you choose to use in it, that will feed up to 20 people or a family of four different times. Portion it out, put it in the freezer. You've already got a meal prepped for another day. You're gonna wanna do this one. It's great. Alright guys, this one's super easy and it's super inexpensive and you're gonna love it. It's so comforting. It's one of my favorite winter meals. It's just delicious and it's really good for you. You can do it low carb or you can make it stretch by adding rice to it. It's something that most people don't think of. When we were growing up, we always grew a large garden and green beans grow really good here. And everybody loves green beans as a side dish. It's a great side dish, but because we had such an overabundance of them, my mom always cooked them as a main dish. And anytime somebody comes over and I prepare this, they always tell me the same thing. They're like, I never had green beans as a main dish, but it's delicious. Why haven't we done this? We always eat beans and rice. Why don't we eat green beans and rice? So it's really simple. You can eat it like a soup without the rice, or you can eat it more like a stew with the rice. And it will stretch more with the rice, of course, if you're on a budget, so it will help you there. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's super easy, really delicious. It's good for you. You can grow almost all of the ingredients in your garden besides the meat. But even if you purchase them, it's really, really cheap. So let me show you how we do this. We're starting with some pork chops. They were $1.69 a pound. We got a 4-pound pack. We're looking at right at $7 for this pack. I'm gonna chop it up. You can use any white meat, pork of any cut, turkey, chicken, anything like that. And cut it up into little pieces. Heat up your pot. Add the meat to the pot. Heat it up with a little grease. I left the bones in for flavor. I'll pull them out later. Add some seasonings. Let the meat brown for a while. Cut up some garlic, onion, and peppers. Add it to the pot. Brown that up a little bit. Put a little water in it to stop the cooking or the browning. Slow it down. So now we have a nice gravy in there. Start it. We're gonna leave the bones and mix some bone broth up in it. Next, we're gonna add a large 6-pound can of green beans. Fresh from your garden is better, but not everybody has that, so we're gonna use this. It only costs $4. Now we're gonna add it to the pot. Cut up and add some potatoes. We're gonna add enough water to cover everything and let it cook. If you want to add broth, you can. I have broth, homemade broth concentrate. You can see how gelatin it is. But you don't have to. Chicken broth is good in it though. We're just gonna let this cook for a while. You don't want it to cook down too much. You want to leave it kind of juicy. But we want these potatoes to soften up real good. I'll thicken the gravy a bit. Once you get to the point where your potatoes are starting to cook apart and kind of thickening the gravy a little, making it a little bit milky, not completely broken to pieces, but just starting to. You can go ahead and add some sausage if you want to. You don't have to. Whatever sausage you like. Remember, the sausage will impart a little bit of salt, so don't over salt before this point. We're going to let this cook for maybe 10 more minutes just to let the flavors of the sausage incorporate, at which point we're going to taste it and adjust seasonings if needed. Serve it over a bed of cooked rice like a stew and enjoy. That's it. This meal is very hearty and delicious, a great wintertime comfort food, and very inexpensive. Hope you have found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to get future updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, we will see you next time.